Collaboration between librarians and faculty is essential to helping students understand the research process, develop information literacy skills, become self-directed learners, and achieve success. Support these shared goals by using PrepSTEP, an e-learning platform from EBSCOlearning. PrepSTEP offers a variety of resources to help students improve core academic skills, stay organized, develop good research habits, prepare for careers, and much more. Since PrepSTEP is compatible with several learning management systems, curriculum designers can use its resources to support instruction and assessment in several subject areas, including reading, writing, math, and science. Once PrepSTEP is configured into an institution's LMS, instructors can easily add ebooks, tutorials, and practice tests to assignment modules. Using these resources instead of revising course materials each semester saves faculty time and ensures course content is always up to date. In addition, students never have to leave the LMS to access PrepSTEP. They can start a quiz or tutorial right within the course module, elect to finish it later, or score the test and review the correct answers, all in one convenient location. Grades are seamlessly passed to the instructor, so it's easy to track student progress and performance. PrepSTEP's LMS integrations allow schools and colleges to deliver relevant content where students are, while also creating an opportunity for librarians and faculty to strengthen their professional partnerships. Learn more at EBSCO.com.